All right, as usual, three contestants. They get a minute to perform. And Sima Rooney is the judge, and we're going to ask you to give us a call at the end, 733-246-126 are the numbers, and you will decide the winner. First up, Taskia.
Boy, funny the little things people used to hate you. Funny when you don't, nobody rate you. Funny how life goes. Only God he knows. Reggae girl J.A. really happy for them. Prime Minister I know who no money for spend. Now they wave the black, green, gold eye. Now they spotting us. Now they watching us. Car glass wine us, yeah, they're spotting us, looking so unscrupulous, because they left us at brands, but now we at gold. Half of the story has never been told. They left us at.
All right.
3.5 for Taskia.
3.5 for Taskia.
Yeah.
Is it Inferno?
Inferno.
It is Inferno, and he will go next. Run the track.
I don't know, say Inferno representing for the reggae girls. Game face, big up yourself with them. I don't know, so representing for Jamaica, straight out of Jamaica for the reggae girls. Hold on, alright. We will tell them, yo. Reggae girl, you want this. You want the queen when we live in the palace. Touch one and ball feel all we see a beard that we try the country a play. None of them want no challenge because yo. Reggae girl, you want this. You want the queen, we go live in the palace. Touch one and ball feel all we see a be a challenge. Alright, because we aim great for the goal, we no mistake a track.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, because we aim straight for the goal, we no mistake a shot. Round a curve where he curve and twist, bust a flick. That skill make the goalie back flick.
All right.
Inferno!
Inferno decide him can't
Supposed to be blazing for the whole minute, and you draw breaks, version and your lyrics did nice. 3, I forgive my 3. for that.
3.
Yes.
Madiva is the third and final contestant.
Whatever. From yard to a brother, Jamaica to France, reggae girls have it like the number one when me we are. Happy ball and a dribble can't catch it back. Happy wall of fans are Europe, reggae pick me that. Less than a minute goal scorer, and if you feel say you lie next time, set the clock salad no fly but when you put on your plate every Sunday, when you see one plaza, yeah, where the gong there, yeah. Reggae, girls, reggae, girls, reggae. When you see the black, gold and green, better know a reggae pitney that. Reggae, girls, reggae, girls, reggae. When you see the black, gold and green, better know a reggae pitney that. Stick up in the girl and make history. This everybody fish out now them district. Reggae, girls, reggae, girls, reggae, girls, reggae.
Girls.
4.
4 for Madeva.
Madeva. That's all? Yeah.
Yeah. The numbers again are 733-246-126. Give us a call, please, and you will decide whether it's Taskia, Inferno, or Madeva who will take us out. All right, that's it for Roll Up. Soon come.
Roll out.
Make it hot. Come on. Let's go. Rock.
All right, and in just a little while, we have a big football match. It's going to be, France versus South Korea. That's a joke. That starts at 2, but this one even bigger than that. You see Jenny, Emily Sheets.
Oh, well, at least you can dance.
Yeah.
Can you?
Akira is also there. Preske is there. Look at them.
Oh,
So
gosh. That's going to be funny.